Hello guys, Rosemond Alade Brown aka Okapin Polo is in the news once again. Amunim say Okapin Polo there na ho ahyeda afan ye pa the month of April there hey obekai no aka ni biem. Na anche bia na yede ne koto efiase a onim say sa picture na otwa ya one ne ba no na se waro ne ho no na announce ma yede ne copy quarter judge obo ne kwadu say okotwa 3 months ofias na onim say 3 months we dey odam 3 days per na omukwa appeal na chese omo atumayi na bafi na emra na odam no muhu say some flyer be na circulate because people wanted to support Okapin Polo's son na nkofo pese omo hwe akora ne mama because Okapin Polo chira ono na ohwe ne ba no osan so hwe ne mama ka ho dia nti nkofo bi aye say omo beye adoye na chese DKB kura ehu bambi say yentotu scan ma Okapin Polo na chese oba na modiama no na chese ode aye de obeye chese Polo oka asisudia say oba de sika ne de wonya bi ibu ahwa ye de fa na account but sika bi wo hwa no ma yetimi hwɛ no ka kyene say ya ma ye DKB sika say on fa mo but o say ne nsa nka sika bia fam free DKB wo na say mo nso de mekura me dwam chance because according to DKB no say emra Okapin Polo order jail no number na na de mo no say ya Okapin Polo na nkasa ne number na ade na Polo nso be say Mensan kaskabia nti we de DKB I put it onto you today Polo e kan say DKB awia ne sika DKB babia obi anom be yi ohun anom mmenti de Okapin Polo okafa eye DKB.
Guys, I'm recovering little by little by God's grace. There's something I want to clear because it's really tarnishing my name. You all know that I was being in cells and then from there I went to jail. Since I came back from jail, a lot of people have been calling my business number, telling me that they've given money to some people to give it to me. And after I came back, I couldn't take their numbers to call them to say thank to them. You guys, you know, Polo appreciate any little thing anyone does for her. Not to talk of someone giving me money to support me and my son. I want to say that I signed those called celebrity who people gave her money to send to me and my mother, which she was even posting the reference on her page. Any money that she sent, she posted on her page. I have not received any money from any person. Since I came back from jail, people have been calling me from UK and US, telling me that they've given money to someone to give it to me. And then I didn't say thank you, so I'm ungrateful. I have not received any money from anyone aside those called celebrity. A woman called yesterday said she's called Aunt Ma Alice when I was in town doing delivery. When she called, she said she has given money to this DKB, 4,000. She said she's called Malice. My English is no good. She has given DKB 4,000 to give it to me. And I didn't say thank. And she doesn't want to see me. She doesn't know me and she doesn't even want to see me. The woman talked very bitterly. So I picked up my phone. I called DKB. I called him. And I was thinking maybe he was busy, so he was going to return my call. Till now, he has not returned my call. Guys, I beg you, save me from this trauma. I have not received any money. If I have received, I will thank you because I really appreciate. Aside those called celebrity, I have not received any money from anyone that you think you've given money to give it to me. I love you guys. Please, let's respect ourselves. You know, I'm a grateful being. Thank you.